Simbang Gabi means the Tagalog phrase, Simbang Gabi, literally translates to unite mass, and this is precisely what is meant to be referred to during the Christmas season. The 9 masses that make up Simbang Gabi take place in the early morning hours of December 16, 17, 18, 23, and 24. In Spain and other nations with significant Catholic populations, this practice is known as the novena, which literally translates to 9. In Spain, the Mass was frequently celebrated in the evening. It was shifted to the early morning hours during the colonial period in the Philippines in order to accommodate farmers during the harvest season, and this shift became a tradition after it was established. Even though many churches also have a night service for individuals who don't want to get up for a 4 a.m. start time, the pre-dawn session is still quite popular among those living in both urban and rural areas of today's world. If you go to all 9 of the night masses leading up to Christmas, there is a widespread notion that your Christmas wish will come true if you put in the effort to do so. In addition, baked rice cakes known as bibingka and steamed rice cakes known as puto bumbong are available for consumption following the early service. Traditional seasonal beverages, such as salabat, ginger tea, are also quite popular.